differential of y is equal to 4 dt. The differential of c is equal to 5 dt. So, ang dx natin ay still dt plus z is equal to 5t times dz, which is, or dy rather, is 4 dt plus x natin is t plus 2. Then dz is equal to 5 dt. Simplifying the equation, 4 times t dt plus 20 integral ng t dt plus integral of 5t dt plus integral of 10 dt. So, combine like terms, 4 plus 20 plus 5, meron tayong 29 times the integral of t dt plus 10 multiplied by the integral of t dt. Ngayon, ang problema na lang natin ay yung bounds. So, let us substitute the values of x and y's natin. So, x1 natin. So, x1, x sub 1 is equal to 2, yung nasa taas na point. X sub 2 is equal to 3. Kita. And substitute the values from this equation. So, 2 is equal to 3 plus 2, solving for t. T is equal to ilan? 0. Then, when x is equal to 3, t plus 2 is equal to 1. So, ang bounds niya ay 0 to 1. 0 to 1. I-check din natin sa other bounds kung tama. So, when y is equal to 0, t is equal to 0. When y is equal to 4, t is equal to 1. And when z is equal to 0, t is equal to 0. And when t is equal to 5, or z is equal to 5, t is equal to 1. 5 divided by 5. Nakasundo tayo na yung bounds natin ay from 0 to 1. Simplifying the integral, 29 times t squared over 2, evaluated from 0 to 1, plus 10 t evaluated from 0 to 1. 29 over 2 minus 0 plus 10 minus 0 equal to 29 minus 20 over 2, which is equal sa 9 over 2, or 9 plus pala no? So 49 over 2, which is equal to 20. Gets? Next example. So given the function x squared plus y minus 4t, evaluate natin ang closed contour integral from the points 431, 2011, in which x is equal to 4 minus 4t, y is equal to 3 minus 2t, and z is equal to 1. Okay. X squared natin is 4 minus 4t squared. So, the closed contour integral of x squared plus y plus 4z. Substitute the values. X is equal to 4 minus 40, 3 minus 2, 4 minus 40, y is equal to 3 minus 2t, and z is equal to 1. The differential of x is equal to negative 4 dt. The differential of y is equal to negative 2 dt. The differential of z is equal to 0. Gawin natin yung d sub s. So, d sub s